What's going on, everybody? This is Jake Jones here with MarineMax Texas MasterCraft here in Fort Worth, Texas. Today, we're going to walk through a 2024 Sea Ray 21 SPX. Let's climb inside and check it out. So inside the boat here, you'll see we do have an awesome sun pad on the back of this boat. Great spot to lay out or sit back and relax. This is optioned also with the sports tower and the bimini. So if you got anybody that's wakeboarding or kneeboarding, anything like that, you do have an awesome sports tower to hook up to. Forward here in the boat, this is optioned also with the Simrad screen. So great for your charting, depth, all of that. Super easy to use. Coming over here on this observer side, you do have a flip back seat. So this will face either way. So a great spot to face out the front while you're driving or to watch out the back if you're just hanging out. Storage underneath the port side over here, and then forward here you have an awesome bow seating arrangement. This is optional with a bow filler cushion as well. Thank you for walking through this 21 SPX with me. If you guys have any questions, hop on to MarineMax.com. There you can see all of our inventory. We have awesome manufacturers like MasterCraft, Crest, Aviara, Premier. Everything you could need, we'll have it for you. So please, outside of that, if you have any questions, contact me, Jake Jones, at 682-282-9969.